Welcome. If you're tired of missing updates from your favorite Instagram accounts, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn on post notifications for someone on Instagram with the latest steps for 2025. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Next, head over to the profile of the person or page you want to get notifications from. You can do this by searching their username in the search bar at the bottom of your screen, or by tapping their name if you see them in your feed. Once you're on their profile, look just below their bio. You'll see a button that says Following. Tap on this button. This opens up a menu with more options for how you follow this account. At the top of this menu, you'll notice a bell icon, which represents notifications. Tap on the bell icon. This will bring up a list of notification options for this account. Now you'll see several toggles for different types of notifications: posts, stories, reels, and more. To make sure you never miss a new post, simply toggle on the switch next to posts. You can also choose to enable notifications for stories or reels if you want to stay updated on all their activity. That's it. You're all set. From now on, whenever this account shares a new post, you'll get a notification right on your phone. If you ever change your mind, just follow these same steps and toggle the switch off. Turning on post notifications is a great way to stay in the loop with the people and creators you care about most. Whether it's your best friend, a favorite celebrity, or an inspiring creator, you'll never miss out on their latest updates. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips to get the most out of your Instagram experience. Stay connected and enjoy scrolling.